Amen. Was good, YouTube, and welcome to today's video. Man, I hope you guys doing real well. So without further ado or wasting your time, nation, man, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, if you want more match analysis. So without further ado or wasting your time, we have got Brighton versus Crystal Palace. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be checking the previous match analysis. YouTube, man, you know what I'm saying? You feel your boy. So we're gonna scroll down, see Brighton Crystal Palace right over here. So ain't no cap, but Crystal Palace been performing, so we should be confident to say draw or Crystal Palace over 1,5. So hopefully, let's check out one more time. So yeah, Brighton been playing well too, so maybe this one nation I see that Brighton been playing well too. So to be on the safe side of things, I think, man, if we can, we should go for, okay, bookings are not an option. Okay, so Crystal Palace won the previous one, so let's go with draw Crystal Palace. Win, draw, win. Let's try draw Crystal Palace, nation, man. If always fails, it fails. You know what I'm saying, man? If it fails, it fails. Draw Crystal Palace over 1,5. Alright, nation. Up next, we have got Dortmund versus Freiburg. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what this team has for us. You know what I'm saying? Dortmund versus SC Freiburg. So we're gonna scroll down. Dortmund's second, the other team is gonna be 4, and we're gonna go with Dortmund or Freiburg over 1,5. Okay, so next, we're skipping those games. So Nice versus Leeds. Okay, Nice versus Leeds. I think we're gonna do 4 teams today, nation, man. I think we're gonna do 4 teams. Maybe tomorrow we have better games, but today we're gonna do 4 teams, which is gonna be around 5 odds. Okay, so it's gonna be Nets or OG Nice under 4,5. Nets or OG Nice under 4,5. Hopefully. Let's verify one more time. Okay, verified. YouTube, man. Up next, last but not least, I think we're gonna go for either Hoden versus FC Utrecht. Either Hoden versus Utrecht, you know what I'm saying? This is the last one, YouTube, man. Hopefully we can find a high probability winning bet. Hopefully, man, you know, and I'll be out of your scene right now. So as you can see, it's gonna be PSV or Utrecht over 1.5. So this is the ENTVC. Just have to confirm. Okay, yes, the TVC. Okay, so that's a really good odds, you know what I'm saying, nation. So without further ado, man, we gone YouTube, man. We